FOMTEC Plastic Machinery, Guangzhou Company Limited, is one of the leading enterprise in vertical injection molding machine industry. We have devoted ourselves into this field since 2002. After 17 years development, we now possess modern production bases both in Suzhou and Guangzhou, covering a total area of over 29,463 square meters. FOMTEC Machinery, Suzhou Company Limited, has obtained ISO 9001 certification. Our products are mainly exported to Southeast Asia, South America, the Middle East. We have not only the internationally advanced facilities like CNC machine tools, but also professional team as research and management in Suzhou factory. Our products are widely used in the production of plastic products in all walks of life. For example, the automobile manufacturing industry, machinery industry, cosmetic industry, and so on medical. FOMTEC Machinery has successfully developed and promoted FT, FC, FK, and FD series of machines, which the clamping force ranging from 12 tons to 650 tons, the injection capacity ranging from 35 grams to 8,000 grams. Our main products include FT series, vertical clamping and vertical injection molding machine; FC series, tie bar less vertical clamping and horizontal injection molding machine; FK series, vertical clamping and horizontal injection molding machine; FD series, direct hydraulic clamping horizontal injection molding machine. We are for the purpose of enhance the customer has strong competitiveness and profitability in their respective fields.